First, Micah 5 verse 2, the Messiah will be born in Bethlehem. Bethlehem is a small village. The probability that any given person in the world would be born in Bethlehem, 1 in 280,000. Stoner was conservative. The actual population ratio at the time would have made the probability far smaller. Second, Zechariah 9 verse 9, the Messiah will enter Jerusalem riding on a donkey. This was an unusual mode of entry for anyone claiming royal authority. Conquerors rode horses. The probability that a person claiming to be king would enter a capital city on a donkey, 1 in 100. Third, Zechariah 11 verse 12, the Messiah will be betrayed for 30 pieces of silver. Not 20, not 50, 30 pieces.